Track asset performance, maintenance history, and equipment health. Asset management begins in maintenance and service, the strategic oversight of organizational equipment. The asset report provides a centralized view of equipment health and maintenance history. Global filters refine high-level data into actionable maintenance insights. Make categorization groups equipment by manufacturer to track brand-specific performance. Model filtering allows for granular analysis of specific equipment versions. Year selection isolates asset age to assist in lifecycle and replacement planning. Location parameters ensure that maintenance resources are deployed to the correct physical site. Date range filters align asset performance reporting with specific operational periods. The refresh function ensures all displayed metrics reflect the most recent system updates. Column visibility controls allow users to customize the data layout for specific audits. Resetting the report clears all active filters to restore the baseline view. Selecting specific years identifies equipment batches nearing the end of their service life. Active assets represent the total number of equipment currently in operational use. Inactive assets highlights equipment that is decommissioned or undergoing long-term repair. Archived assets stores historical data for equipment no longer part of the fleet. Total work orders generated quantifies the total maintenance demand across all listed assets. Asset name and asset code provide unique identifiers for precise equipment tracking. Make and model details standardize technical specifications across the enterprise. Location data maps assets to specific functional areas for better logistics. Assigned work orders tracks the current maintenance backlog for each individual unit. Completed work orders validates technical productivity and successful repair outcomes. The completion rate measures the efficiency of maintenance fulfillment against total requests. Pagination allows for efficient navigation through large asset inventories without losing performance. Adjusting row density optimizes screen space for comprehensive technical reviews. This integrated reporting structure ensures maximum equipment uptime and proactive maintenance scheduling. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.